Upon executing a work order, a technician must report failure mode occurrences. For example, say he repaired a short circuit in the genset of equipment class 1453. 5 steps ensure an accurate record of the life event. Step 1. Select the failure mode. Step 2. Paste the current notification number into the text box. Step 3. Select the failure mode ending event. Step 4. Click the failure mode ID in the central pane. Step 5. Save the record. Now assume that a certain amount of time has elapsed and the reliability engineer needs to analyze a sample of the stored event data. Say he is interested in the failure, for any reason, of the failure mode right-hand transmission on truck class 2253. The object parts that could be responsible for the failure of this component include the dew cone seal, the sun pinion, and so on. Hit the sample generation button. We will select all the failure modes from 6817 to 6830. This will give us the reliability behavior of the transmission component as a whole. Of course, we could have selected any particular failure mode or modes of interest. In any case, our sample, formatted correctly as an events table, has been generated. Now the reliability engineer can go ahead and analyze this age data sample in combination with condition monitoring data covering the same calendar period. The methodology for doing so is described in the video entitled Analysis and Predictive Modeling, found on the CBM Exercises page. For more information, email us or hit the subscribe button. Thank you.